This bout of U.S. diplomatic cables really didn't come as much of a surprise. The U.S. diplomatic cables merely confirmed, in fact, what many people had been suspecting all along, that the economic data in China is less than reliable. People here have been focusing on one cable in particular that dates back to 2007, and in it, the cable quotes the current Vice Premier, Li Keqiang, as saying that gross domestic product statistics are for reference only, are man-made. Now, it's important to note, of course, that these are off-the-cuff remarks, that this is secondhand information, but to many economists here, they say that at the very least, these comments underscore the challenges that China's leaders face.
Okay, just tell us a little bit about Li Keqiang. Just how senior is he?
He's quite senior. Li is currently vice premier. At the time of the cable, he was the Communist Party secretary of Liaoning province, and now he has been tapped as possibly becoming the next premier and leading China's economic policy. So his comments have a lot of weight, and that's one of the reasons why so many people in the market have been focused on this cable and the second part of the cable. And in it, he said when assessing Liaoning province's economy, he focused on 3 data points outside of official data. And these are electricity consumption, rail cargo fees, and bank lending. Again, a top-level Chinese official supposedly saying that he is looking outside the official data at these other 3 data points, Andrew.
Okay, so he's sort of effectively saying don't read too much into the headline GDP numbers, but those tracking measures you spoke about, power, I know power is frequently quoted by analysts as a very key way to measure the growth in the Chinese economy, but are the other two as well? Does it make sense to track these figures?
It does make sense. From what analysts have told me, they said that they actually have been tracking the numbers for quite some time, except for the rail cargo fees, which they said some of them don't have access to that information. But for the most part, many of them said that this was quite a smart way of trying to assess the real economic activity in China. As you know, one of the big complaints here has been that there's a lack of accurate data, official data, out of China. And one of the big concerns has been that local officials are often incentivized to report more positive numbers because their careers are really made or broken based on the economic success of their own region, Andrew. So, you're seeing a possibility of more skewed numbers.